Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Monday.com boards for Agile development tracking, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update Monday.com boards for Agile development tracking, begin by logging into your Monday.com account. Navigate to the specific board you want to update. Ensure that your board is set up for Agile methodologies. Click on the plus Add Column button to include relevant fields for tracking. Consider adding columns for task status, priority, and assignee. Move to the status column and update tasks according to their current progress. For example, change the status to in progress, stuck, or completed as appropriate. Utilize the timeline column to set deadlines for each task. Adjust the timeline to reflect realistic completion dates. Next, prioritize tasks by updating the priority column. Assign team members to tasks using the People column to clarify responsibilities. Review the Update section to add notes or comments on each task's progress. This can help team members stay informed about any challenges faced. Use the Files column to attach relevant documents or resources. Ensure each task is accurately tagged with relevant project labels. Monitor the overall board for any overdue tasks or bottlenecks. If necessary, create a new group for tasks that arise during sprint planning. Regularly schedule board reviews with your team to assess progress. Encourage team members to update their tasks as they make changes. Use the automation feature to set reminders for upcoming deadlines. Consider utilizing integrations with tools your team already uses for seamless updates. Finally, save and refresh your board to ensure all changes are visible to your team. This systematic approach will enhance your Agile development tracking on Monday.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.